What's up, guys? I'm back at work. This rain smells different. So I'm a scientist now. I recently got a job. Also, quick disclaimer, this is not the military video. But yeah, okay. So, got this pretty well done work. Let's get to the car, shall we? Our RC pin. Alright. What the heck? That rain smelled weird. It's really toxic. Is this fallout? No one to close the road. Oh no. Need to get home. There's no one around. Holy crap. What am I gonna do? Roadblock. Strange wood. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? Radio just shut off. Oh my god, it's an air raid. Or nuclear fallout. Basically the same thing. Oh my god, I need to get home. Hurry up, go faster. I don't see anything, but it's very suspicious. This area. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What am I gonna do? Come on, I need to get home. Hope my wife and kids are fine. We spun out, oh no, 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 no. I ain't got time to waste. Holy crap! Someone put that in the road to try to stop people from driving. Oh no! Looks like little miniature bombs have hit. Whoa! Oh my god. The road's blocked. Ugh. Road's blocked here too. Oh no. That's foreclosure, so no one's gonna come here. Come on, open up, open up. Open up! My lights just turned off. Oh no, oh no. Are we safe? Oh my god, oh my god. Get in, get in. How? They must have had a generator. How are we surviving this? My god. Lock the doors. We don't have a basement? Need to get upstairs then. It's fallout. Oh no. Where do I hide? They have a bathroom here. We've got a gun. This is so horrible. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Going crazy, am I? Hide, hide, hide. We're gonna be safe. We're gonna be safe. I can't believe that there's an air raid. The water smelled weird. And, there's roadblocks, everything. Wait a minute. That looks like weird toxic snow. Should I go? Oh. Ew, oh. Ow, my skin, I'm burning. Let me in, let me in. Oh. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Looks like I'm here. Where did everyone go? Please tell me they're safe. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's horrible. This is horrible. Hope you guys liked this video, and I'm Face. This is part 1 of this new series. Hopefully this uploads, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Let's continue this roleplay, shall we? Oh no, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna be stuck here for days. Time went fast. It's midnight now. Still raining. I'll check with you guys tomorrow. Still raining. We're gonna go out. I'm gonna search everything. I'm gonna scavenge. Let's hope I can find some kind of boiler suit or something to get out of here. The gas mask. I have a guy that works up north at the aerospace facility. He'll let me into an airplane so I can fly to Sandy Shores. I bet it's much safer there. It's a whole entire different country. Okay. I think I'm the only one alive because I got this mask. Thank God. Oh, where am I gonna go? Oh. Should I? It gets way louder when I'm out here. Oh. Well guys, this is it for this video of Fallout. Hope you guys liked this. See you. Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening to Los Santos.